Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss one new concept about variation. In your chapter it is given under the heading direct and inverse variation. We already discussed this topic in class 7 also. The same concept we are going to discuss but in more deeper way. And always remember that for solving these type of sums we can use different methods. I am not saying that it's a hard and fast rule to follow my process or follow that process, no. But your process must be correct, steps must be properly arranged, and your solution is perfect. So let's start today's work. Variation. What is variation? Suppose there are two quantities, one is your x, other is your y. These two are variables. If we have some value, suppose 2 is here, so suppose the value of x is 2, then value of y is 4. If value of 3 is x is 3, then value of y is 6. Value of x is 1, then value of y is 2. So from this observation, what we conclude that as x increases, y also increases. As x decreases, y also decreases. So in this case, we can say that x varies as y or y varies as x. Means what? In mathematical way, we can write down x varies as y. Means what? If x increases, y also increases, y increases, so x increases. This is the concept of variation. Now, we can simplify this. We can remove this sign of variation by using x equals to k into y, where this k is known as your constant of proportion or constant of variation. This is known as your constant, where k is your constant of variation. So from this we can find out that x upon y is always a constant quantity, and this quantity must be same for all type of values of x and y at the same time. Means when x is 3, then y is 6. We place 3 upon 6 as a constant, we have 1 upon 2 as a constant. From this we can conclude, we can find out various unknown ratios of variation. Now come under this concept is known as variation, and this same concept is known as your direct variation. Now I am going to take one example from your exercise 10A, and I solve with two methods. One is given in book or unique method, one is as an alternative method that we learn from our teachers. And exercise 10A, I am solving question number 1. It says that y is directly proportional to x. Y is directly proportional to x. This is given to you. My proportional sign is not perfect one. Then, and that y equals to 40 when x equals to 200. Y equals to 40 when x equals to 200. So as from the variation sign, what we know that y equals to, we can write down y equals to kx, where k is constant, Now we can say y upon x equals to k. Place the value of y is 40, x is 200. So constant is your k. It's a 1 upon 5 equals to k. This is your constant. Now it says that find the value of y when x is 15. I am solving this side. Find the value of y when x is given to you, it's a 15. So from this we can write what how much, as we know that y equals to k into x, and value of k is 1 upon 5, value of x is 15, so it's a 3, value of y is 3. This is your solution standard method we discuss in book. But as an alternative method, I am going to discuss one more thing. See this side. This is your alternative method. This is little bit. Once we can say that it's a little bit typical or tough for understanding. But once you understand, it's easy. It makes your solution easiest. So the same question I am going to discuss with you. There are two things, x and y. Two variables given, and it is given the value of x is 200 when value of y is 40. Again, second time, question time, value of y x is given, it's a 50. What is the value of 40? We don't know. So we can assume it's as a y, small y, because it's a part of y. Now what we are observing that when, as we know that it says that it's directly varies, so varies as directly means if x changes y change, and if x increase y increase, x decrease y decrease. So there is a direct variation. We must plot some arrow mark likewise. This arrow mark indicates that as arrows goes in downward side in x part, first quantity, second in direct variation, second quantity arrows goes downward side. Means, well, if it increases, it also increases. If it decreases, also decreases. So this shows that this part varies as same as this part. So from this we can conclude, as we know that it's a direct variation, so from this we can draw these arrow. Always remember the concept of arrow, that if there is a direct variation, arrow must go in same direction. It may be this or likewise or maybe upward, but for unique solution I am always using downward side in case of increasing. First downward side, and as second as same as first in case of direct variation. Then our next part is we must write it is a direct variation. So 200 upon 15 equals to 40 upon y. By doing cross multiplication, we have y equals to 40 into 15 by 200. 45 is a 5, 3 is a value is 3. Same in both the answer. Now it's up to you which method you want. In this, your writing is work is lengthiest one. In this, work is easiest as well as shortest. But you have to focus at this part. That's how we plot the arrow. In this case, see how we write 200 upon 15. 200 at the tail side, to tail side as a numerator and head side as a denominator. So tail side as a numerator, arrows head side as a denominator. This is the concept of direct variation. In rest of the questions I try to use this new one so that you can easily understand this one. Okay, I am going to discuss question number 4 by using the same alternative method so that you can understand the concept clearly. It says that if 15 burners consume 90 cubic meter of gas in 2 hours, how much will 9 burners consume in the same time? So how is solved? By using that method. In this case 15 number of burners, time is same, amount of gas in cubic centimeter, that is a centimeter cube. So what is given to you? 15 burners consume 90 cubic meter gas. Less number of burner consume X amount of gas. Now, in what problem you must be very careful that whether concept is for direct relation or indirect relation. So you must use your common sense. In this case, it says that for the same time 2 hours, if 15 burner burns, they consume 90 centimeter cube of gas. So for the same time, if we decrease the number of burner, then consumption of the burner must be decreased because timing is same. So in this case, there is direct relation, means if we decrease this one, it also decreases. So it is a direct variation. You must write down it is a direct variation. 15 upon 9. Tail side always at numerator. 90 upon x. Tail side always at numerator. Do the cross multiplication. X equals to 90 into 9 by 15. 15 6 it's a 54 cubic centimeter of gas. This is the solution of question number 4. Then question number 6 also. I am solving question 6 at this side. 6 says that 89 liters of oil cost rupees 2091.50. What is the cost of 50 liter? Again the same, this one. As we observe that it's a direct variation, so it says that liter of oil amount in liter cost in rupees. We write this one, cost in rupees. Amount in liter, cost in rupees. So what is the amount? Amount is given, it's a 89 liter. 89 liter amount, cost rupees 2091.50. So question says that what is the cost of 50 liter? Again, amount decreases, price also decreases. The common sense that how much we take, we purchase, we must give in exchange of that much amount of matter or that much amount of liter. So it's a direct variation. use arrow side, arrow here, because arrow use the same path. It is a direct comparison. But we will write 89 upon 15 equals to 2091.50 upon x. To the cross multiplication, what we have x equals to 89. When we solve these questions, we have some typical calculation also. So let's start. 209. We remove the decimal over here, then 1 0 remove. It's a 5 2s are 5 3s are. Now 89 is there. This is complex, so try to divide 20915 by 89. Let's start. I am solving doing rough work at this side for you. It's 20915. Let's check that whether it's divisible by 89 or not. 8 2s are 18, 8 2 is 16, 16 1 17, 1 10 minus 7 3 31 1. 8 3s are 9 3s are 7, 2 carry 8, 8 3s are 9 3s are 27, 2 carry 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 2 26. It's a 4, it's a 4, 10 minus 6 4, 44, and then we use 5. If we say it's a 5 jar, it's a 445. So it's the easiest for us. We can easily remove by 5. So value of x is 15 upon 2. It's a 7 or 1 upon 2. Now let's calculate. 0 cancels. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 2. 2 is there. Now 89 5s are, sorry, 89 2 3 5s are. 89 2 3 5s are. Let's 89 2 3 5s are. Solve it. 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9, 1 10, 1 carry 3 0 6, 1 7 0 5 by 2. It's a 2 3s are 6. 10 is there, 2 5s are 10, 2, it's a 352.50, you can write this or this. This is your answer. Now we are going to solve the last question of this exercise, question number 9. It says that the distance d traversed by a ball dropped from an aeroplane is directly proportional to the square of the time t. It says that d varies as t square. Given that t equals to 2 seconds when d equals to 24 meters, find the distance the ball drops in 10 seconds. Means what? If by using you can solve this by using the alternative method or the constant one. I am going to solve this by constant method. So therefore we can say d equals to k into t square, or k equals to d upon t square. find out the value of k. We know that value of d is given t 2 seconds, so d 24 meter. Sorry, 2 square. So 24 upon 4, it's a 6, it's a constant 6. Or you can find out this is speed is 6 meter per second, whatever it is, it takes acceleration. Its value is 6. So if time is given to you 10, the value of d equals to k into. In this case, the value of k is 6 into the square. It's a 6 into 100. It's a 600 meter. This is your answer. Now, if we solve the same question by using alternative method, then what happens? Let's check. In this question, we must be careful about the values. So what we choose as what is given, we must choose as d and t. D and t square. If it is given that if the value of d is 24, d in meter, t in second, value of d is given to you, it's 24 meter, then value of time is 2 square, time is 2 given to you, but here we are writing t square, so write down 4. Then again time is given to you, it's 10, but we are writing here t square, so it's you must write down 100. Write down distance is x. Only this much care we pay. Then after what we check that it is a direct variation. It already says that it's a direct variation, so you must write down. First draw the arrows in same direction, though it's a direct variation. Write down over here. It is a direct variation. So in this case, what we write? This is the solution part. Write down 24 into 100 by 4 equals to x, or we can write down it's a 600, why 600, 4 6 are 600 meter. You can write down. This is your solution by using alternative method. Now it's up to you which method you adopt, but what method you are going to choose, you must solve all the questions in the same method by using the same method. So today's homework, complete exercise 10A. Only 9 questions are there, you have to complete it. Thank you.